Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video here. I got a 2007 Audi A6 Quattro, and for a while now, I was not able to use my MMI. The welcome screen will come on for a few seconds and it goes shut right off. And none of these buttons were working before. But as I was looking around on the Audi World forums, a lot of people were saying they were having problems with their Bluetooth module. So what I did a while back was I ordered a optic bypass loop. They're real cheap off of eBay, about $3-4. Got a male and a female adapter. Originally I thought it was my amp, and I tested the amp and I was still having the same problem. So finally got a chance to pull out the carpet without having to remove the seat, mostly because I didn't have all the tools I needed. But yeah, all I did was plug this in, and as soon as I turned the ignition on, you can hear the sound coming from the speakers. It's a little bit fuzzy, but it's still better than nothing, right? Thank you for watching this video, and we'll be sure to get back to you next time. This is Money at Midnight.